Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today is an update of the lentil level, meaning we're forming the beam plate for the windows and the doors. So you see the shape of the windows and the doors, and also the side boarding for the installation of the iron rods and also the concrete casting for the beams. Then yeah, the next decking follows, and also the hidden roof gutters, and then the hidden roof. So are you ready for today's episode? Then let's go. But before we get upstairs on the first floor to check the work being done, I want us to pay attention a little bit detail to the ground floor, the shape of the front face of the house, and also the staircase going to the first floor. Walking on it, let's see, it's very smooth. As you can see, it's effortless. You don't struggle whilst you're climbing up there, and the angle is also really nice. And yeah, this is all with planning, you know and yeah, this brings us to the entrance of the second floor, and all of this is your living room space, including the dining. So the dining is right somewhere here. That's where you see the beam plates lying down, the wood, and then you have your kitchen on the other side. So this will be the size of the door which goes to the first bedroom. I think it's a good size. Let me know what you guys think, about the size. So entering your first room, you have the sideboarding for the beams, which will come later. And yeah, work is in progress. We're going slowly but sure of what we are doing, because we also have to get a level. So I don't want to put a lot of people, because everybody has his own way of measuring the angle. So it's better to have two people on site, or maybe three, to work together, so they have the same understanding when it comes to taking the level, rather than having a lot of people and this one is using this angle, another one is also using a different angle, and then after casting, one goes higher and one is lower. So this is the window size of the room. I wanted a bigger windows, but when I find out the prices of the windows, I was like, no man, I'm going with short. And as you can see, the view from the bedroom, you still have the view if you're in your bedroom. This is the kitchen store, the windows up there, and this is the rooms, the door size of the windows of the entrance, I mean. And that's the beam sideboarding right there. So we have the kitchen right here, somewhere here, and this kitchen windows for the outside. So that's the view you get whilst you're in your kitchen. This goes. So as you can see here, we haven't done any sideboarding here, which is the second bedroom. There's no sideboarding here. It's only the beam plate, because we'll first work on the one side of the building, and when we are done, we bring all the wood to the other side to cast, to save costs as well. So slowly, but we keep moving. We're making progress. That's more important. Making progress without stress, no stressing. So this is the bathroom for the second bedroom. Right here you have your closet. Yeah, I think the door sizes are good for this place, for this room, I mean. Yeah. Looks good. So far, so good. So far, so good. I just can't wait. When all the beams are casted, then you can see the shape because then all the joints are together, the wood for the boarding. And as I always say, anytime I see wood on site, there's only one shout out going to my big man for really helping me out till date.
You're welcome to another edition of Lintel. No matter how flat the block is, at least you have to introduce a line at the top to have even levels. So when you are standing at the outside, at least you can have a nice workmanship line. Sometimes you may see some windows, part have dropped, some are up, some are down. When you use the block that are laid, sometimes you have those errors. But when you use the rope, pick your own measurement, at least you can get what you wanted. So all the top may be in line, very accurate. So you can see you start with the lintel. Here are the, you can see the board have started. It will get to a time where we remove the rod and put on top and start with the casting. So this is the basis of it, as you can see. So the boarding is ongoing. Big Michael, Big Michael, how is it going?
So work is still in progress and we are making progress as well. We keep moving regardless. And if this is your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome to join the family by subscribing to the channel. And also, please don't forget to like the video. This is just the beginning. We have a long way to go, and we will surely get there. We have more exciting videos coming up, so please stay tuned. And my next video, I will go downstairs to show you after the concrete casting how it looks downstairs, how the concrete looks underneath, how smooth it is. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next episode. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really